I want to quickly talk to you about Sprout social content marketing software, and this is a review of the tool. A lot of folks talk about Sprout, but they have no idea what Sprout social content marketing software really does. So here is our verdict. Basically, when you think about the Sprout social media social content marketing software, I want you to think about affordability. That's the first thing. I want you to think about efficiency, and I want you to think about a wide diversity of features. Okay, so you are speaking about features that are tailored to meet the needs of businesses like yours, regardless of size. So that's really good because the whole thing about Sprout Social Media is actually to simplify your social media efforts. Okay. Now, the pricing might seem steep at first glance when you look at it, but the benefits are evident, especially when you think about the capabilities that the software really puts at your disposal. Let me talk to you about the pros and cons of Sprout social content marketing software. The pros first. It really integrates with a wide range of social networks. You can use the software to schedule and publish content. You can leverage advanced social listening capabilities, utilizing artificial intelligence to really uncover valuable insights. You need you can get trends, you can get topics, you can get topics of interest, by the way. So that's really good. The software enables a comprehensive review management. It provides robust analytics and reporting features. It really offers a user-friendly interface and minimal learning curve. So that's really cool. You are able to receive reliable customer support through Sprout 24/7. So that's really cool. 24/7, but not 365. So it's 24/7, Monday through Friday. And in some geographies, it's actually 24/7, actually. And also with Sprout Social, you have a 30-day free trial, so you can really test out the software and see if you like it. What about the cons here? Well, Sprout Social actually comes with a premium pricing structure, starting at about $249 per month. And it lacks a free plan option, unlike some competitors. It really offers limited customization options and advanced features in the entry-level standard plan, and it doesn't actually feature built-in social commerce capabilities. So this could be a little drawback. This could be a little disappointing, really, for some businesses. So what are the facts here? When you think about Sprout social content marketing software, the facts I want you to really pay attention to are that, first of all, the target audience, okay? Who Sprout Social is best for? Well, this is actually a great choice if your business is an e-commerce business that wants to enhance its social media presence, engage, let's say, with customers, and drive sales through effective social media campaigns. So everything revolves around social media, if you will, when you think about Sprout social content. Also, if you are a large enterprise or, let's say, a mid-sized corporation with multiple brands or product lines, you are able to use Sprout Social as a centralized platform to manage social media efforts across various channels and teams. And also, if you are a marketing agency or social media consultant managing multiple client accounts, you are able to benefit from Sprout Social's scalability and team collaboration features. So that's really cool. And so that's really actually the kind of target audience that Sprout Social goes after. Let's talk about who Sprout Social content marketing software is not really for. Now, you want to go for an alternative if you are a small business or a startup with limited budget, because the platform's premium pricing structure may not be feasible for your initial social media efforts. Think about it. $249, that's the starting price per month, okay, when billed annually, which means if you want to go for a monthly billing, the pricing will be even steeper. If you are a business with minimal social media presence, or if you operate in industries where social media is not a primary marketing channel, you do not want to really use the Sprout Social because the tool is not built for you. If you are a sole proprietorship or you are a micro business, or let's say you are an individual social media manager who primarily handles your own accounts and you do not require advanced team collaboration or agency level features, then Sprout Social is not really for you. I mean, you have a lot of other tools out there on the market that could really be more suitable for your operation. So this is actually something to really remember. When you think about Sprout social content marketing software, I want to go a little more granular with you so you have a clearer idea what the software is really about. Okay. So, what does this Sprout social content software, social content marketing software, what does it offer? Well, basically, with Sprout Social, you have a comprehensive suite of features that actually are designed to streamline social media management, right? The thing is, everything is in the name anyway, Sprout Social. So, in terms of features, you have aggregate messages with smart inbox. So, basically, Sprout Social's smart inbox aggregates all incoming messages from connected social accounts, enabling efficient monitoring and response management. So, let's say you are present on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, on Twitter, now called X, on Snapchat, or on Pinterest. Basically, what's going to happen here is that Sprout Social will aggregate all the messages and centralize and have a central hub where you can just really sort of monitor and review all those messages. You can also plan and publish content easily through Sprout Social. You can manage reviews effectively, so you can take advantage of Sprout Social's dedicated tool for monitoring and responding to reviews from various sources, including the Apple App Store, Facebook, Google My Business, TripAdvisor, Glassdoor, and Yelp. You can also actually assign tasks for collaboration. So basically, if you have a team, if you work in a team environment, you just want to centralize sort of the efforts, or you just maybe instill more accountability. Basically, a Sprout Social can help you out. You can also listen to relevant conversations. So Sprout Socials has a social listening feature that uses artificial intelligence to uncover relevant conversations, trends, and topics of interest. And this actually aids in content ideation and strategic decision making. Now, what about the details here? Let me talk to you about when you think about Sprout social content marketing software, what kind of details should you be thinking about? First of all, you have with the software you can do a lot of things. You can do content management and publishing. Okay, basically you can manage your content easily with Sprout social robust content calendar tool. You have social listening and monitoring. I said this before. You have analytics and reporting, so that's really good. And you also have team collaboration and management. So when I think about team collaboration and management, the cool thing is that basically you have, again, as I said before, this layer of accountability, but also responsibility. So that what happens here is that your team is, in the end, more efficient and more focused on the task at hand. When you think about Sprout Social, where does this software really stand out? I mean, what are the differentiators that really can bring a competitive edge to this software? Well, you have a comprehensive social network integration process. You have growth opportunities. So, from a scalability point of view, this is really good. You have a user-friendly interface. You have advanced review management, social listening, and content ideation. You have consultation also. And when you think about consultation, the cool thing is that you are able to elevate your social media endeavors with Sprout Social's premier success offering, which really provides bespoke consulting services tailored to accelerate your impact on social platforms. So if you are struggling, if your business is struggling right now with its social media sort of efforts, and you want to really rely on bespoke guidance from Sprout, they can really help you out. So what happens here is that you have dedicated consultants that collaborate closely with you to formulate customized strategies, deliver specialized training, conduct industry analysis, and furnish insights that bridge social performance with overarching business objectives. Okay. Now, Premier Success ensures heightened support levels underpinned by guaranteed response times from dedicated agents who proactively guided you through your social media journey. So that's kind of cool. And another thing that you will love with Sprout Social is the ideation sort of process. So basically, Sprout Social has a social listening and content ideation tools that really, in the end, help you big time because it really those tools furnish your business with a strategic advantage in comprehending your audience and crafting compelling content. So the whole thing is the content has to be compelling and has to be relevant to your target audience. Okay. Of course, you have a user-friendly interface, so the UX is really prominent when it comes to Sprout Social. Okay, and this is kind of cool. And also, one thing I want to say is that you have growth opportunities. So actually, there is a feature called Sprout Academy, which is actually a dedicated learning portal that offers courses tailored to enhance your proficiency with the Sprout platform. So what happens here is that as you grow, your knowledge level actually also grows with Sprout. That's really fantastic. Now, everything is not perfect when you think about Sprout social content marketing software, okay? Now, there are areas where this software can do better, and the developers, they've been working on it, but there are things that really we don't like. First of all, you have limited customization options. So this is a big bummer when we analyze, when we investigated Sprout Social. Why? Because basically, when it comes to social content marketing, you got to have customization. In other words, you want to customize the software to actually suit your specific social media strategy, because not every two business not every other business has the same social media strategy, right? So you want to have a bespoke sort of offer, but Sprout Social right now is kind of limited when it comes to that. So Sprout Social really has a lot to offer in terms of, let's say, features, but you might find that its customization capabilities are somewhat limited, especially in the standard plan aimed at beginners. So if you are looking for more advanced customization features, such as tailored made workflows or even seamless integration with third-party tools, you might want to consider upgrading to a higher tier plans. However, keep in mind that this could actually bump up your overall expenses. So as long as you have the budget for it, that's not a problem. You can go for it. Otherwise, yeah, it is what it is. Another area where Sprout Social falls short in our view is the pricing. The pricing, not because the pricing is not transparent, the pricing is pretty transparent, but it's just the steepness of the cost. Okay, so Sprout Social's premium pricing structure might not be the best fit for every business, particularly if you have a smaller one or one with tight social media budgets. Okay, so starting at, like I said, $249 per month for the standard plan, and with higher tier plans costing even more, it might not be the best economical choice for everyone, especially if you are just dipping your toes into social media marketing, or let's say your audience on social media marketing, on your audience on social media is not as big yet. Okay, so this is really something to really think about. So what are the extras here? When you think about Sprout social content marketing software, what kind of extras should you be thinking about? In other words, first of all, how do you apply for Sprout Social? Well, signing up for Sprout Social is a straightforward process that you can complete entirely online. Okay, you don't have to call a customer service number or whatever. No, you can do everything online or through the app. By the way, they have an app, and you can go through the app and follow the steps there. But basically, all you have to do, you want to click the try 30-day free or try for free button. You want to enter your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. And you want to connect your social media accounts by following the prompts and providing the necessary information, the necessary permissions. Okay. Provide also your business information. So, and the thing is that depending on your geography, basically Sprout Social might ask you some extra questions. But once you answer those extra questions, you just need to set up and explore the platform during the 30-day free trial after you have been redirected to your dashboard. Okay. And if you decide to continue using Sprout Social, you need to select the plan that best suits your needs and provide payment information. And so now, if for any reason you believe that Sprout Social is not the right tool for you, you have a lot of rivals, a lot of players in a very crowded space. By the way, you have Hootsuite, you have Buffer, you have Zoho Social, and you have Agora Pulse. When you think about Hootsuite, I want you to think about a platform that offers a range of plans starting at $99 per month. It provides actually similar features, including social media scheduling, monitoring, and analytics, but with a slightly different pricing structure and interface. Okay. You also have Buffer. So Buffer is a more affordable alternative because they do have actually a free plan and paid plans that start that start about $6 to $10 per month per social channel. While it may have a fewer advanced features than Sprout Social, it can be a suitable option for small businesses or even individuals with limited social media management needs. You also have Zoho Social. So this is part of the Zoho suite of business applications. So Zoho Social is really a cost-effective solution with plans starting at the $10 per month billed annually. It offers us basic social media management capabilities that can really help you out. And the final one, you have Agora Pulse. This is actually a comprehensive social media management tool with a focus on customer relationship management and team collaboration. So that's really cool. Now let's talk about the customer reviews. When you think about Sprout Social content marketing software, what are the customer reviews? Well, reviewers are across multiple platforms, including GetApp, Software Advice, and Forbes Advisor, actually have rated Sprout Social an average of 4 to 4.5 out of 5 stars. Okay, and a lot of people actually generally praise Sprout Social for its user-friendly interface, efficient management of multiple social media accounts, powerful scheduling and publishing tools, and thorough reporting and analytics features. However, some concerns have been raised about the high pricing, especially for agencies handling numerous client accounts, as well as confusion regarding the pricing tiers and limitations in customizing posts for different platforms. So, although a few users encounter challenges with contracts or cancellations and occasional difficulties navigating the interface, the overall consensus that we have actually seen is that the consensus remains overwhelmingly positive, with users appreciating Sprout Social for its comprehensive suite of social media management capabilities. So, what are the pro tips here? So, when you think about Sprout Social, you want to leverage Sprout Social's digital assets management integrations like Canva, Dropbox, and Google Drive to streamline your content creation workflow. You want to set up custom URL tracking parameters in Sprout to better analyze your social media traffic in Google Analytics. You want to also use Sprout's messaging integration with WhatsApp to provide, whenever possible, actually, customer support and personal shopping experiences over the popular messaging app. You want to take advantage of Sprout's automated inbox rules to triage inbound messages based on keywords, for instance, networks or other filters to prioritize responses. And you also want to leverage the Insights tab to identify top performing content, optimal sending times, hashtag performance, and more to continually optimize your social strategy. So overall, as a recap, do we recommend Sprout social content marketing software? For sure. This is a safe tool. This is a legit tool. They've been around for a while. They've been very successful. So when you think about Sprout Social, I want you to think about a tool that offers an extensive suite of features tailored to simplify social media management for all kinds of businesses, yours or even a bigger one. Okay, you can be a startup, you can be a small business, you can even be a micro business. Okay, with Sprout, you have a seamless integration with various social networks, a user-friendly interface, and advanced functionalities. The only thing to really to worry about is the pricing. So you want to really clarify that aspect of things if you decide to go with Sprout. In conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about Sprout social content marketing software. I gave you our verdict, the facts, the granularity that you really need to pay attention to, the extras, and now the conclusion. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.